Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement battery and filter specifically designed for the Conga 1090. Make sure you have everything ready before starting the process. First, ensure that your Conga 1090 is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is essential to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors while doing this. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment and the filter area. Now let's focus on the battery. Disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connector. If you encounter any resistance, double check to ensure you're not pulling on any wires. Once disconnected, take the new battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Make sure it's securely attached. Next, we'll move on to the filter. Remove the old filter by pulling it out gently. It's a good idea to clean the area around the filter compartment with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Conga 1090. If you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. This is important for optimal performance. After replacing both the battery and filter, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Conga 1090 and power it on. Check to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly and that the device is operating smoothly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you troubleshoot any problems you may encounter. Finally, if you prefer not to deal with the hassle of maintenance, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision about your device's care. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your Conga 1090 and keep it performing at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.